does baby cry? Baby's crying. Why the tears? What's the matter, little dear? If you could, you tell us why. Why does baby cry? Wah, 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 wah. Do you need your diaper changed? No, that's not why our baby cries. Baby's diaper is clean and dry. It's clean. Oh, it's dry. Are you hungry, little one? No, that's not why you kick your feet. Baby doesn't want to eat. No. Does our baby need to nap? No, that's not why you squirm and shake. Are these babies wide awake? He doesn't want to sleep. He always cries. Does our baby need to burp? No, that's not why you cry. Alas. You have a burp? This little baby has no gas. Have you a fever, sweetie pie? No, that baby doesn't. I am sure. Look at the perfect temperature. Look, no temperature. We have tried all there is to try. Why does baby cry? The answer now is very clear. Babies cry and made a fuss just to get a hug from us. La 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 la.